Hi, my name is Joanna Shin A. Kaninit. I'm here to discuss the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which is Article 7. Article 7 states, "Equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. All are entitled to equal protection against any discrimination in violation of this declaration against any incitement to such discrimination." So there are four meaning and explanation about this article. First is equality before the law. This means that every person, regardless of race, gender, religion, and social status, nationality, or any other difference, has the same legal rights and responsibilities. No one is above or below the law. Second is protection against discrimination. The article ensures that no one should be treated unfairly or unequally under the law. Everyone must receive the same protection from legal systems and authorities. Number 3 is fair treatment. Laws must apply equal to all people, whether rich or poor, powerful or weak. Everyone deserves the same justice and protection. Fourth is prohibition of incitement to discrimination. It also forbids actions or speech that encourage others to discriminate. This means promoting hate, bias, or unfair treatment toward any group is also a violation of human rights. In conclusion, Article 7 defends fairness and equality. It says that everyone is equal in the eyes of the law and deserves the same protection and treatment without discrimination or prejudice. That's all. Thank you.